But we begin with new developments in a DUI crash that killed a pair of UC San Diego medical students. Jason King is guilty on 2 counts of gross vehicular manslaughter.
Our 10 News reporter Rachel Bianco is live at the downtown courthouse where King's family looked on as he was convicted. Rachel.
Stephen, Kimberly, even though that verdict is guilty, it is a verdict that brings a lot of relief for Jason King and his parents, because keep in mind the jury had the option of convicting him of murder. Now take a look inside the courtroom in just the last 90 minutes or so. King didn't show much reaction when the judge read the verdicts. His parents and sisters cried when he was found not guilty of murder and instead guilty of 2 counts of manslaughter while intoxicated. King's attorney says his client all along admitted that he drove drunk and caused the crash that killed Annie Lee Baldock and Madison Cornwell. 3 of their friends were seriously hurt. At least 2 suffered brain injuries. All of them were med students at UCSD. King was a 21-year-old Marine based out of Miramar the night of the crash in May of 2015. He was leaving a bar in Mission Valley when he drove the wrong way on the 163. A bartender and a friend testified that they told him not to drive. The deputy district attorney says as a member of the military, he had more knowledge of the dangers of drinking and driving than the average person, and that's why they charged him with murder.
The average person isn't warned by their employer every single week not to drink and drive. The average employer doesn't have signs up at their business place or crashed cars by their front doors or safety stand downs that the defendant went to just a week before the crash.
King's attorney disputed that training was really anything exceptional. The victims' families all live out of the area. They were not in court. If King had been found guilty of murder, he would have faced 30 years to life. Instead, he faces 17 years in prison when he's sentenced in April. Reporting live downtown, Rachel Bianco, 10 News.
Rachel.